Hi everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. Today I have an unboxing for you. I feel like I just did one because I kind of did. But this is the new hot foil products that will be available on September 1st, I believe. I'm 99% sure it's September 1st. So before I get going on all of the new stuff that there is that will be coming your way, I didn't get all of it. I got a nice selection. And then once the order went through, this happens a lot. I was like, oh, I didn't get one of the things that I really wanted. So I put it on another order that will be coming. I also have the product of the month to show you. Since I was paying extra to get this early, I went ahead and added my product of the month to it. But a couple of things before I reach down and open this box and get going on the new stuff. Let's see, I'll do it this way. I have Card Club. I have an online card club. So this is this month's. We're doing the Beautiful Ordinary Life paper, which is now unavailable. Thankfully, I got mine in time. So you can join my card club if you go find out about that. Then I do have a hot foil club. Here's the first project for this month of hot foil. And that's a great way to learn how to use your stuff. And then I have my Try It class, which happens every time there's a new catalog. This is our first project, and it is from the September catalog that's coming out. Go watch those and learn out about how to try all the new products. It's a super fun way to do it. And then I do have several things up with the new September catalog as little sneak peeks. Then finally, I have my office is a mess. So look at it. Because I have too much stuff. I do have an eBay channel and I try to keep it updated, but I've gotten behind and I could build a fort and probably house half my neighborhood behind it with all of the extra products that I have that are retired. So if you head to my Facebook page, it's Sherry's Cards. Right now there's 4 posts. There's a $7, a $10, a 22 and a 30, I think. So you can just go on there and claim it. If you're in Card Club, then you don't even pay shipping because I'll put it in with, or if you're in my in color class, or if you are in the hot foil, if I have something that's mailing to you and I just add it, then shipping is free for however many things that you want. Buy a lot. So now let me turn the camera down and we will get going in this box. Okay. So let me take my glasses off. I just pulled everything out of the box. I didn't clean off much of my table though because I got work to do. Although today I'm going to Friends, my demonstrator besties, and we are spending the day together. So before I do the hot foil stuff, let me show you this because I have a feeling this is going to sell out. So this is the product of the month for August. It's called the Glow of Harvest Specialty Designer Series paper. So if you spend $75 in the US, you can add this to your order for just $5, and it is beautiful. And specialty paper runs about $17, so this is a really good deal. Of course, I cut it open, but I have a little corner stuck there. Oh, there we go. Okay, you can see it looks pearlized. Hopefully the camera catches that. And it's just one-sided, which is becoming more common now with our papers. Not that I hate it, because then I don't feel sad about having to cover up a design that's beautiful. So this is my colors. These are where I would live if I could. Beautiful neutrals, and then that super, super beautiful pearlized effect. So pretty, and product of the month, get it before it sells out. Because there have been a couple of things now that have sold out. So let's start with the new foils themselves. So this is, I haven't opened anything to see it. I just got it ready. This is Silver Opal. So it has a little bit of a holographic sheen to it. I was going to work on die cutting today when I was with my friends because it's easy to do, die cut for my card club, and still talk. But now that I have this new stuff, maybe I need to bring it and we can foil something in all the new colors and show you. This is green, which will be perfect for Christmas. Also good if you have, if high school scrapbooking and green is your school color, because that really looks like a school green. And then we have red. Of course, you can mix and match the red and green. Here's the red. And then this is going to be my favorite, copper. Did I mention that those are the colors where I live? This copper would be beautiful with that paper I just showed you. So copper. So those are the new foils. Like I said, I did not get everything. So I got all the new colors of foil, but I didn't get all of these. So there are several more if these don't do anything for you. And then the one that I forgot is still coming. So this one is the Graceful Evergreen. This is the stamp set. So one thing, probably not watching this video if you don't intend to hot foil, but just because something's a hot foil bundle does not mean that the stamps on their own, like if you love this stamp set and you don't hot foil, get the stamps. You don't have to get the pieces that go with if you don't want them. So you can see it's a beautiful wintry Christmas scene. And then here are the dies to add your deer. How about if we add a copper deer to that? So they have some great effects with them. So that is Graceful Evergreen. And they don't have to be Christmas. Anytime you have a deer and a tree. Does anybody put all of their stuff in backwards? Then this is the Twinkling Tidings. Again, if you love the trees, you could do a whole forest if you have those two sets. I didn't realize the two trees were so similar, but the dies are not. So this one has some stuff to make it actually be a Christmas tree. And then here are the foiling dies. So when you look at the picture, anything that is in this kind of wild wheat color is to be foiled. The rest of these are just regular. So this actually has words. I can't wait to use it. It says, wishing you a beautiful Christmas. And it will do that in the foil. Aren't you dying to see that one? And this one says, from our family to yours. And then there's a to and from. Super pretty. This next one here is just a background. Again, this is just the stamp. So if you're not foiling and you want some starry nights, you can do that. This will be really pretty with that new nativity that I haven't had time to use yet. I feel like, did I get that? I haven't seen it. Guess I'm going to have to check. Go back and watch my video. So here is the Starry Night foiling die. It's all stars. It's not snowflakes. So you could use it for 4th of July. You could use it for a birthday party. You could use it for New Year's. And then Wreath and Wonder is the last bundle that I got. So here are the stamps. And then the dies. So these two wreaths will foil. And the splatters will foil, which is kind of fun. And then this last one is, you know, we've been telling you don't throw away. I don't have any of it laying here. I did clean up a tiny bit. Don't throw away the pieces of foil that you pull off. This is a reverse hot foil die. So you can put those pieces that say have all of the butterflies. Where's my butterfly card? When I did this one and I put it through the pink foil, it leaves you a piece of foil that has no butterflies in it. The butterflies are the part that's foiled out, and the rest was all pink with backwards, like reversed. So this you will be able to put in with that and use up all of your foils. So if you're interested in any of my clubs, head to my website. Make sure you're on my email list. That's the best way to find out what's going on. And it's too much trouble to turn the camera back around. But go shop my Facebook sale. Buy lots of stuff. Have a great one. Bye.